Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another video. This is GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair channel with a 2014 Nissan NV200 4-cylinder automatic front-wheel drive. So today in this video we're gonna show you how to replace the front right that will be the passenger side engine mount, the little torque mount, a strut mount, or some people call it the dog bone mount, this one right here, and the bottom one. All right, so please follow along and you should be fine. Now if you not feel comfortable doing the repair, please find somebody who has more mechanical inclined skills, knowledge, so he can help you if you need help. Because remember, these videos are for educational purposes. I don't assume any, somebody broke a bolt or didn't follow the instructions correctly. I'm not liable for that. I just be mindful, okay? Know your limitations. But again, this is very easy. I'm sure most people can do it. Without further ado, let's get to the video. And again, please like the video, share the video, comment, hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to help us out to grow our channel and to help many more people with our videos. All right, let's get to it. First of all, we got to create some space here. We need to make sure that this reservoir bottle, we're going to move it out of the way. So here we have a 10mm bolt, so we are going to remove that. Done. Okay, put it in a place that's not going to bother you. Pull it up. You saw how easy it is. We're going to let it rest right here. Done. Perfect. Now another thing that I want you to mention is, like, make sure that the engine is cold. Okay, it's not a good practice to work on an engine that is warm, and potentially you can burn your hands, your forearms, your skin, and damage yourself, because it doesn't worth it. Okay, let the car rest and relax and cool down. All right, so next we are going to install the floor jack underneath the oil pan. And you can see that I use a piece of wood just to support the oil pan right in the corner. Okay, right in the corner of the oil pan, so that will be the stronger point. Very good. Okay, next we're gonna remove the top one first. That's gonna be an 18mm socket, so we are going to do that. Let me place the camera in a position that you guys can see, and let's continue with the video. We'll find a place here. So 18mm. Okay, I'm gonna use this ratchet. Loose. One, leave it there. It's not gonna go anywhere. This one has a washer. This one is the one that goes right here. Okay, so the one over here, it doesn't have it, so that was easy to distinguish them. So here you can see that this one is bad. This is actually a pretty poor design in my opinion, but again, Nissan is the one who's making the big bucks, so what do I know? All right, so the next thing is we're going to remove those 16 millimeters, and this should be 18 millimeters. That's why we are going to support the engine, so that way when we remove the center bolt, the engine doesn't drop and we have a hard time trying to put the bolt back. So let's remove 1, 2 here, 3 total, and we're gonna lift the engine a little bit more to the point that it's actually not contacting this. Then we can just take this one. All right, so let's do it. Dang it. Let's see if I can get you a better angle. Okay. You can use a 16 millimeter or 5/8 to do this, and you should be okay. Before I loose the last one here, I'm going to break loose the center one, so that way I don't shift the engine side to side. Maybe this one is a 19 millimeter. Yep, this is 19. I was wrong. Sorry about that. Alright, that is loose now. Awesome. Break loose the last one. Perfect. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. These 3 are the same length, so no need to worry about it. Now we're going to lift the engine a little bit. There we go. You saw that shift there. So now that mount is nice and free. Obviously, now the mount, we have to pull it towards this way, the top of the engine mount. We are going to do our best. There you go. So we pull the mount this way, go up, and this way to remove it. Okay, so now you can see that this mount is already damaged there. Okay, so this part right here, it was touching here already, so for the weight of the vehicle. So even surprisingly, there were not, you don't feel any dramatic vibration inside the car transferring. It did those engine mounts that were bad. Happens. Okay, that's what the way it's going to go. And you can see here how this engine mount is pretty much all the way to the top. This one we have some space, a gap there, so it tells us they already collapsed here, the hydraulic, but also is broken. Okay, so that's good. Next, we're gonna make sure you got 2 bolts here, 1 bolt here. Make sure it's here, so they're like kind of the same length. We don't want to be fighting something. So the two holes here go to the front of the vehicle. So we're done with that. And we are going to install it the same way. Now we have to lift the engine a little bit more so this bar can go inside the engine mount. See if that does it. Boom. See? Now that part, this area should go in, and it's gonna line up with the bolt here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the bolt here. It's gonna come, we're gonna put it there. We're gonna get it here. You need to lower the engine a little bit. Make sure you do it slow. Great. So we can have a good angle. It needs to be lower a little bit more. Go slow. That's it. That right there should do it. I think. I hope. Oh, it's not doing it. I'll need a little bit more. Okay. Okay. I think I'm gonna need 2 hands, guys, to get this done. Probably what I need to do, need to get a breaker bar and push the engine towards that direction to give me a little bit more room to maneuver here. So let me do that, and let me place the camera. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. I got 36% battery life left in the battery. So okay, I think the angle might be all right. Alright, let's try something different here. Alright, so I guess I was doing it wrong. So here I was trying to line up this flat up against the bracket, and it actually goes a little bit like this, upset, so that we can line up with the engine. That's the only thing that I did different here. So it's already threaded by hand a little, so we're gonna go slow. Okay, so I still need to make sure this is a little loose, so I can see, I can just move the mount when I lower, so it can line up those holes. Next, okay, it's getting close there. Gotta lower a little bit more. It's there. Okay, that's that. Line up this one. I'm running a little bit low on battery, guys. So in case the video is not complete, it's because I run out of battery. Okay, so anyhow, again, if you are here so far after 15 minutes, well, the amount of time that I'm going to be filming this, and I gotta edit it, so it's going to be less than that. You guys, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment. Share the video, please. I really would like to grow this channel to as much as I can. I would like to have 1 million subscribers. That'd be awesome. Alright, but it takes you support to do that. Can't do it by myself. So there it is. Okay, those bolts are in. I started by hand, so everything should be the way it's supposed to. Great, now the engine is resting by itself. I'm gonna snug those bolts so I can put those the torque specs in the description down below for you guys. You can do the rest, that part. Alright guys, make sure you guys tight everything. So that way it's nice. Maybe I tied it a little bit more than that I should have, but anyhow, I will get this done with the swivel. I want to finish this video, so we are going to install the last engine mount here. Remember, this one goes, the one with the washer goes here. This one goes over here. That's it. So we'll post all the torque spec in the description. And I will finish torquing everything else because you can probably see I have plenty of room here to use my torque wrench. Same thing here. So we should be good. Again, like the video, subscribe to the channel, please. Do your best, forget the rest. God bless, and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day.